What's up everybody, this is Leo with Print Co, and in today's video we're going to be printing custom hats. Okay, so you're probably wondering, why should I learn how to print on hats? These are a really high profit margin item because the cost to print on one of these is really low. The print area is not any bigger than a left chest pocket print. Plus, you can print out a ton of them in 1 hour. That plus the fact that these are really easy to load and print on your DTG machines makes this the perfect product to add to your print shop. Offering custom hats is one of the easiest ways to get the most money out of your DTG printer. So let's start by pre-treating the hats and then we can go from there.
Okay, so to pre-treat your hats, you're gonna start by opening your pre-treat machine. You're gonna take a test shirt and you're gonna put it over. Okay, then you're gonna take your hat, take your squirt bottle filled with pre-treat, and then you're going to there you go. I want to create a design and I want it to start here and go down the bill. What do you think?
What are you gonna put on it?
Set it up and I'll show you.
Alright, let's start by securing the setup station to the table using your C-clamp. Make sure that the stubs are facing away from you and you're ready to get started. Load the Captain Platen and lock it into place. Then, put the locking bar forward. The Captain Platen works best with unconstructed hats, and the first thing you want to do is remove the cardboard, then unlock any belts or buckles on the back. Start by sliding the bill all the way through the front bar. That's the little skinny one up top. Now you want to put the sweatband in from the right side first. Now the key here is to get the entire sweatband under the top plate. Once the sweatband is under the top plate, the rest of it is easy. Do the same thing on the left side, and you secured it into place. Now use the bill to make sure that the hat is straight with the platen. You can use the sides of the platen as a guide. To smooth out the print surface area, pinch down the center and pull down the right and the left side of the hat so that you get a completely smooth print surface area. Then engage the locking bar, pull the sides, and you're done.
Ice on that, that look like the herb. Put some ice on that. What you never heard? Put some ice on that. That look like that her. Put some ice on that. I've been in my feelings nowadays. Oh, I'm not liable for things I say. I don't swim my floor. I don't swim my floor. That's the way I go. That's the way I go. Tryna get that queso off of my nachos. I'm still gaining weight. I cannot see my toes. It's been hot all summer, I just need the frost. I put some ice on that. Oh, yo, the flows that I brought out. Hit you with the meat when the thaw's out. I need ice in my veins. I need freeze for my brain. I need ice cream, yeah. Ice cream every time I am on a sled. In your head over heels if you're walking in the red bottoms and the ice girl, you better chill.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll catch you next time.